Hey everyone, if you're getting Dropbox file conflicts in 2026, like conflicted copies or duplicate files, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox file conflicts step by step. First, open Dropbox and understand why this happens. File conflicts usually occur when two devices edit the same file at the same time. Next, look for files labeled conflicted copy. I mean, these are duplicate versions created automatically. Now open both versions and compare them carefully. Choose the one with the correct or latest changes. After that, keep the correct file and delete the duplicate version. I mean, this helps clean your folder. Next, avoid editing the same file on multiple devices at the same time, especially offline. This is a major cause of conflicts. Now, make sure your Dropbox is fully synced before making changes. I mean, this reduces errors. After that, rename important files before editing. This helps prevent overlapping versions. Finally, use version history if anything goes wrong. I mean, Dropbox allows you to restore previous versions easily. So yeah, that's how you fix uh, Dropbox file conflicts problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your files will stay organized and conflict-free. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials.